Good evening. Hi Anju. Today we are going to learn about the subtotal functionality of Microsoft Excel. Okay, so we begin with opening the file. This is the file, this is the sheet upon which we are going to work. Okay, here we are seeing 5 columns. The details that we have is there are multiple salesperson and every salesperson is selling some sort of products like chocolate chip, fudge brownie, etc. etc. And then we have in third column the number of units of every product that they have sold. Next is the price per unit for each of the product, and finally the sales value of individual product. Now what do you want to know? Here we want to find that of a particular given product, let's say for chocolate chip, how much is the total sales value? Okay, but there are multiple ways that we can adopt. Let's say that first of all we go to the filter and we unselect all and we select only chocolate chip, hit on OK, and now we have the details only for chocolate chip. We can use the sum function over here and select these all, enter, tada, we have the sum of the sales value for chocolate chip. But as soon as we remove this filter, poof, it's gone. Where is it? See, at the bottom, and this is the sum of E2 to E38. That means the value that we saw earlier was not the sum of only chocolate chip. It was for all the products. Okay, so what do? We are going to use subtotal functionality. So first of all, we'll delete this thing. Okay, next what we want, that in this list, this is our list, in this list we will sort this based on the product. Okay, because we want them to be grouped along with in the form of products. Okay, so here in the data tab, this is the ascending and we'll choose it and we have it. So the list is sorted now based on the products only. Okay, now we are going to use subtotal function. Where is subtotal? Oh, in the data tab, when you go to the damn extreme right point, you find subtotal. Okay, click on it and it auto selects our list because we were already on the list. Now it asks us 3 questions. First one, add each change in. Here we want to tell Excel that based on what you want to make the subgroups. Is it going to be salesperson, or is it going to be product, or anything else, whatever is in the list? So we are going to choose product. Next, it is asking us, what do you want to do? Do you want to do sum, or do you want to find a count, or a maximum? What do you want to do? For now, we will choose sum. Okay. Next question is, what do you want to sum? Is it going to be salesperson or product? But Excel doesn't know what is number and what is not. So we want to know the sales value of each individual product. So we'll let it to be sales, which is automatically selected. We'll let these things be the way they are and we hit on OK. Now what has happened? We see that after every product there is a total, and that total is presented after every group. So for chocolate chip, here is the sales total 5773. For fudge brownie, here is the total 7831.20. And likewise for strawberry, vanilla, and at the end we also have the grand total, the one that we had already found. Okay, so this is how we can use subtotal. And on the left hand side, we notice that there are some trees occurring. What are they? Okay, let's try. Let's hit on one. Okay, So it minimizes all of the list, everything in the list has got summed up, and you are seeing only grand total. You want it to be expanded, you can expand it using this plus icon. Okay, but let's go back to 1. Let's see what is there in 2. We hit on 2 and it gives us the subtotals only. Okay, there is no expansion. If you want, you can expand by hitting on the plus sign and you will have the chocolate chip expanded as well. Hit on the minus sign, it collapses. But the second one is to see only the subtotals and grand total. And the third one is the one in which we were already, where you see the expanded list, every detail is over here, and that is how we use subtotal. Thank you.